Now, what Jack will do? Jack will create a policy for CloudOps group. He will not attach the policy directly to the user. He will attach the policy to the group. I'm going to write a policy now. I'll show you the steps, how to write a policy. Now, how many services we have in AWS? There are more than 200 plus services you have. For every service, you have to write a policy. Example, look at this JSON document. This is a JSON document. Opening, closing. And version, you cannot change this version. And don't change the statement as well. This is a key and value. Key and a list. Here is a list. Square brackets, list. List contains a dictionary. A dictionary contains a list again. Again, a dictionary. So what I'm trying to say here is opening syntax, closing syntax. Version, don't change it. Statement, don't change it. Here comes effect. Do you want to allow or deny? You have to say allow or deny. Action. Action. What kind of action? On this EC2, describe, start instance, stop instance, reboot instance. And what kind of resource? All resource. Under EC2 dashboard, for this action, all resource is allowed. Where? In North Virginia region only. US-East-1. How did I wrote this particular policy? It is available in AWS official documentation. You don't need to write everything from scratch. Code will be there. Copy the code. I just copied from AWS. I am stitching. Please understand, stitching means modifying according to my need. Same policy can be used by you. In place of region, you can go with the Hyderabad. You can go with the Mumbai. You can go with the Europe region. Your wish. Now you take this policy, copy this, go to where? As a Jack. Who is Jack? Solution architect. He is the one who created a group. CloudOps is a group. Inside the CloudOps, who we have? Tom. Tom is the first cloud engineer we hired him. Let's go to HAM dashboard, where group doesn't have permissions, where user doesn't have permission. Do you agree with this statement? In our scenario, Tom is the cloud engineer. He doesn't have permissions. He is part of a group. Even group doesn't have permissions. Yes or no? Perfect. This is a group, has one user where there is no policy. You have to get into the group, click on permissions, where there are no permissions. Click on add, click on create inline policy, customer managed policy. Inline means. Do you want to do graphically? Yes, you can do it graphically. That's called visual. Or you already written a code in JSON, come here, remove this code, add your code. Click on next option.